Michael!
Morning, is it Mr. Polanski? Friend, have I got a bridge to sell you? Hardwood, new construction. Let me tell you what a bridge...
Stop wasting my time, mate.
Hello? Oh, I'm glad I caught you. I'm Tansy from Tartan Paint Solutions. Got anything that might need a fresh coat?
Well, I do have a rather bland shed.
A shed? That is fascinating. Well, Mrs. McAllister, we can offer you a great deal on tartan paint. Say 20 gallons and a helping hand?
I don't think so, dearie. It was just nice to have the company, it was. You see, ever since Bill...
I don't pay you for personal calls, newbie. Hello, Michael.
You've reached BNS Bridge Sellers. Bowie speaking.
Wait, Bowie? Bowie Gingham? No way! It's me, Tansy. We went to school with each other.
Tansy Felton? In French class? Do you recognise me by my voice alone?
Yes. Well, you always loved it. Actually, it was getting you to shut up that was the problem. Guess that's why you're a telemarketer.
Hey, there's nothing wrong with highly particular real estate. Besides, if we're going off on what I say I really do, I'm an actor these days.
Still chasing the dream now. That's good. You should. Well, if we're getting personal, I'm still a painter.
So we're in the right industry then? Sorry. Shooting stream. It's that kind of thinking that got me fired from glass houses. It's weird to streams.
Charming. But come on now. It's like you want me to keep asking questions.
Maybe. I never normally get this far on a call. And my boss, Michael, he always gets on my back about it. To tell you the truth, I've never wanted to stay on a call for this long before. To a customer.
A customer? Come on, we've probably got the same handbook. But it's like, I don't even know what goes on in this building. There's this whole other office building that I've never even seen into.
Really? Same here. There's this whole upstairs I've never even seen. Maybe we could compare handbooks over tea sometime.
Hiding in a bathroom now. How will you ever close the deal with that attitude? If you really think I'm thinking about work now while I have bridge to sell you, I'm not talking about the business. Come on, pal. That's the most you've talked to anyone in weeks. Don't let that spark go out. Call them back. After the line one did. I don't know. Why do you... They don't like who I am now. It's been so long. I'm not even sure I'm still a person. Come on! You're not the one with the head full of stuffing. There's probably a good explanation. Our boss sends all calls all the time. Like there's no reason I'm from a puppet. Jeez, what's got into you? I know. What I'm saying is, you'll never know unless you try. It's okay to be scared. But you gotta be yourself.
Maestro, can I get a bit of music, please?
Oh god, I'm reading a musical.
Now I bet you figured out that you ain't got the stuff. Well, let me tell you, pal, just being yourself is always enough. You don't wanna run and hide and let me call you bluff. What's fair in love is fair or more, so don't you start acting so tough. Time to be yourself, can be no other. Open up your heart and oh brother, put that frown away and you will see a true love is finally within both of our reach. Now, my friend, I know you're finally seeing what I say.
There's only one thing I can be, and that's
I'm gonna call
I'm
them.
gonna call them.
Oi, Felton! If you've got time to be hiding in the stalls, you've got time to be making calls. Get back out there. I've got a bet with Michael from downstairs and I intend on winning.
And my boss, Michael, ugh.
Michael! Hello, Michael. Michael.
Tansy Felton, Tartan Solutions.
Bowie Gingham, Beignet, Bridge Sellers. We can't keep meeting like this.
Yes, I know, I'm sorry, but I thought of a solution. That office building you said. You know, brick wall, red door.
Like, how did you... You hung up on me.
Yes, I know. Look, it's not important. Come on, brick wall, red door.
Yes, but do you want to tell me what's going on?
Look, just trust me. Meet me on the roof in 10 minutes. Just take a leap.
Emily, how did you get all this up here?
Through the elevator in the office building that I didn't know we both worked at. You know, I come up here to paint a lot. Clears my mind.
Oh. Wow. You're quite the artist. Seems like we have a lot of catching up to do. Mostly about how exactly we've been working together for years without even noticing. The roofer is a stroke of genius, really. If it's this way, we can be cut off.
Hey! You're never going to let me live that down, are you?
Well, night is still young. Tout est bien qui finit bien.
You know I failed that class. Yes, there is. Oh my gosh, he's so annoying. Every time I'm on the phone, he coming over to me, bugging me, yapping in my ear. Who? Seriously? No, it's him. Yeah,
Working together, are they?
Right.
Kid, now you got it. Call that girl and don't be a muppet.